Hello again. We made another trip out to check on the progress of the construction here in Lucban. And as you can see, we got some walls up on the bahay kubo. The roof's pretty well done, and we have a well drilling crew on site. It's unusual to see a rotary drill being used in this region. Most wells are hand dug, or they use an impact type where they just drive a metal rod into the ground. Fortunately, we were able to find somebody with a rotary drill. It's a good thing because the first 70 feet they went through was pretty good soil, you know, clay, loam type. But then they hit rock, and that rock continued for 70 feet till they broke through, and now they're into some adobe soil. So hopefully just a little bit farther we'll be into good water, probably around 200 feet possibly. These guys brought all of this rigging and 5 men in that little white truck you see there. That was pretty impressive because they had to travel quite a ways. So the drilling continues. We're going to end up using a rocking donkey type pump, what they call a jack pump or pump jack, either phrase, and a bladder tank for our well. It's all going to go in this area between the bahay kubo and where the main house will be built. And then the guys are staying in the bahay kubo, and they've got a little kitchen set up here. They managed to get a live chicken from the nearby poultry farm, so they get pretty good fresh food. But still, it's pretty rugged. I don't know what they were cooking there. I didn't see any dead pigs around. Anyway, the work continues. They're putting on the outside bamboo strips, the external wall. Got some windows in place. It's a good shot of their handmade ladders. Just pieces of bamboo and chunks of wood. And this will be where our veranda will be. There'll be a solid wall in between the main room and the veranda here. And they got the floor pretty well done. We'll have some panels, sawali panels put on the inside of the wall, screens for the windows. No glass or anything like that. It's really not necessary. Probably some storm shutters. But you can see concrete, cocoa lumber, and basically a grass house. When you're inside, it smells like grass. And here's what the view will look like from our veranda. Of course, in the future, we hope to have a lot more plants out there. And coming back indoors, you see our bathing area here. Concrete, we'll have it lined with tile in the floor and the walls. The floor area is about 4 feet by 4 feet, with a floor drain, of course, and a couple of good-sized windows. A lot of bathrooms we've seen constructed around here have, you know, tiny windows, so the ventilation is pretty inadequate. We wanted to make sure we had plenty of ventilation in there. There won't be a door. We'll just put up a shower curtain. But in this structure here, at this time, there's no plumbing, no electricity, so we are definitely going to be living Pinoy style for a little while. But not so bad. Eventually we'll get a shower head in there and some lights. And just trying to give you a kind of a circumference view of the bahay kubo. And if you'll put up with a little bouncing camera action here, it was rather difficult to operate the video camera while walking on uneven ground around here, but it does give you a pretty good idea of the construction and where the additional pilings were put out front to extend the veranda, give us a little bit more space inside. Well, I almost fell down right there. The bamboo, once you take off the outer coating, which is essentially silica, the fibers of the bamboo will behave a lot like wood, so you can put on pretty much any finish you like. We're hoping to just use a clear varnish. Looks nice, kind of shiny, helps the bamboo, protects the bamboo against the elements a little better. But anyway, that's about all there is for now. Thanks for watching.